Got the chrome bug deflector, the clearance lights on the roof. You can see the wheel-to-wheel chrome running boards, and a 20-inch MOTO metal rim. Those are Michelin tires. LT 275/65 R20s. They're the LTX AT2s. Longhorn edition, 2500. Got the chrome mirrors. The LEDs on the bottom. Got the sunroof. And the power sliding glass, garage door opener. Got a power passenger seat as well as driver. Got a dual glove box. A leather care guide. Turnover ball. Owner's manual. Factory lugs and the locking lug nut there. Got a 115 volt outlet. Heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, parking sensors, tow haul mode, trailer brake, dual zone climate, navigation, USB, auxiliary, SD card, little money holder. Got heated seats and a 12 volt outlet. There's your power sliding rear glass. Got really cool stitching. There's some storage back here. Kind of fold these down flat. Custom exhaust tip, reverse parking sensors, 4-wheel drive. Got a bed cover. It's the RETRAX. It's the hard cover there. There's your turnover ball. It's got the bed liner. And it locks. Got your backup camera. BMW, your DIFF fluid and diesel. You have your automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals, 45,000 miles, cruise control, Bluetooth, 4-wheel drive with neutral, push button start, a backup camera. There's your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, another 12 volt there. Got the Alpine audio.